So you're trying to debadge your emblems off your Charger, Challenger, whatever car it is. All you need is a blow dryer, any kind of card, more of a hard card, better. Now you're gonna do is apply some heat, and then you're gonna use the card and just, you know, start taking it off. Pretty simple. There it is. You can see it's starting to come off, you know. There it is. Then obviously, once you're done taking all of them off, you're gonna apply a little bit of heat. You know, there's a little bit of some of that adhesive they use. Use little heat and wipe it down with a microfiber towel and a detailer. Keep in mind, you don't want to get this blower too close to your tail lights, because you could damage your tail lights. You could possibly melt them, so, you know, be aware. You got all the letters off. Obviously, as you can see, there's still some residue. So all you're gonna do is apply a little bit of heat. Just carefully go one by one and take off all the residue you can. Then you'll use a detailer with a microfiber. So I got this microfiber towel and this spray. All you're gonna do is, you know, apply a little bit and then go to that letter. Hopefully you guys can tell on the camera. You know, don't go too crazy rubbing it, or else you're gonna scratch your tail light. But, you know, you can see right here, it's pretty much gone. It's got a little bit left, but just keep applying pressure. As you can see, I got the D and the O pretty much cleaned up, and then all you do is just repeat the same process for the rest of the letters. Some spots that adhesive from the letters doesn't want to come off. You might have to apply some heat again and then try it again with the detailer. And on these last ones, it seems the glue's still stuck on. I'm gonna apply some heat. And you can see it's actually coming off a little quicker. Yep, there you have it. Might have to polish it a little bit, get them scratches off. If you're wondering why I'm taking the letters off, well, that's because we're gonna get some honeycomb smoked taillight tint wrap that we're going to be applying. Give it another look. I am going to be debadging these two, the Charger, and I'm going to leave this one, and just like that we got all the letters off. guys let me know what you guys think. Well, I'm gonna take these off now. Just repeat the same process for any badge you're trying to take off. So there you guys have it. No more emblems. All the tools you need. If you guys like the video, subscribe, leave a like, tell me what you think.